This is Chainsaw Charlie coming over the Main Street Bridge in Findlay, Ohio. I'm not too sure what is going on. I know I see police lights up here, but everyone's trying to get over either way. Not sure what's going on here. If there's an accident, I see the police lights. Huh. Looks like it has something to do, I don't know. I'm gonna turn here because I have no clue what's going on. Disabled vehicle, possibly. Hold on. Take you guys around. See what's going on. There's the library right there, guys. I've been mowing grass all day. My landlord's in front of me. So let's see what's going on. I gotta go pick up his truck. Got a really big, humongous bush that I cut down on one of the properties, and I only got a 4-foot bed, but so there's a courthouse. So I need a longer bed so I can take that stuff to the waste plant, or the green waste site. Sheriff's right there, the sheriff's van. We're coming back up to it, so we'll see what's going on. Still can't see what's going on, but there's a bank, one of our banks. Gotta be a disabled vehicle. Still, now I'm waiting on the light. They just changed that bank. It used to be what the heck was that bank called? But now it's called Premier Bank. Stupid ass name for it. Oh, 3-car crash. That was a 3-car crash, guys. Looks minor though. Chainsaw Charlie out. Ciao.